How to book hotels with Ovago and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book hotels with Ovago. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below for the website, so you can go ahead and check that out, and you can also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply when you are booking. So go ahead and check those out and save your money as well. So here you can see we have hotels option right here on the website. We're going to click on it. It'll open up this tab, and here you're going to see this little section right here where you can go ahead and find the hotels that you want to stay at, right? So here we're just simply going to select over here, and here we'll search for our stay and click on one night. And then when you've hit the search button, you've entered in your location, all of the hotels are going to be available to you. You can see in this whole radius. You can see right here on the left hand side all the hotels that are available. So we've got the Hilton, we've got the Westin Bonaventure Hotel, Hotel Angelino, Hollywood Roosevelt. We got all these different types of hotels. We can go ahead and select whichever one you want, right? So this one is the Tarzan Inn, and this one is the Sonesta. You can go ahead and select all of them. You can even zoom in on a particular location. So this is the Beverly Hills. These are all the hotels that are available within the Beverly Hills section right here. So this is the Beverly Hill or the Beverly Hilton. And then here you can go ahead and click on view deals. And here are all of the websites where you can go ahead and actually book the hotel, because Ovago is just a broker type of website, or you can view deals and stuff like that. And then if you click on view deal, it'll take you to the section where you can go ahead and, you know, book yourself this suite. So here you can see these are all the rooms that are available. You got these sections. These are all the ones that are available. So for this one, this is the 13 rooms available right here. Each room has their own pricing and own, you know, amenities. You can see right here, 32 meters per square. We got all these different options. These ones have wheelchair accessibility as well. This one does not. It has a patio, but this one doesn't have a patio. This one has TV and air conditioning. The other ones don't have a TV, which is kind of weird. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want, and then just hit the book button. And you can see some of them have their own exclusive deals. And then here in the book section, you can just fill out your details, payment section as well, and then click on complete booking. And then there you go. It's as simple as that. So make sure you check the link in the description below if you have any, if you want to, you know, save some money. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.